Then mouse, on-screen keyboard and calculator are the two examples of tools that are available on computers. Then pages. Text editor is another tool that we use to write stories and essays. Yes, we are familiar with the text editor. We have read about it in grade 2, and in grade 3 we come to know about the word processor. So text editor or word processor is basically, these are the tools which are used for writing or typing anything into the computer. Then Jyoti, is there any tool to change the time that appears on the taskbar? The time shown on my computer is wrong. Now what is the taskbar? This is the lower ribbon that appears at the bottom of your monitor screen. On the screen you can see that the last line or the last ribbon that appear near to the end of the monitor screen is known as the taskbar. On the taskbar on the right hand side we are having a date option. Whenever you will click it, then it show you the date and time option both. So if somehow your computer gets damaged by somehow, then you can change the date and time also. Now to change date and time there are certain steps. Then most, yes, you can do the settings to change the date and time both. Page number 64. Now they have shown the number of steps for Windows users and for Ubuntu users, as this book is according to Windows 7. So those who are having Windows 7, they have to simply go to or follow these steps to change the date and time into your computer. Windows 7 users, first of all, they have to click on the date and time appearing on the right bottom corner of the monitor. Now, as you can see here, this is the taskbar. This is the taskbar where on the right lower corner, date and time both can be seen. So here, this is when I click on this, then this such type of window will be in front of us. Then number 2 is select your locality or choose a city close to the place you are living in and country. Now if you want to change the date and time, so first of all we have to select the locality. When you will click on that, there is the set time zone. It will ask us about your time zone, as we are living in the as we are living in India. So we will select this UTC 5:30. This is the GMT. And then if you want to change the date also, then you can change date and time both by clicking on this option. Then step 3, we have to click on OK, and in this way the time and date will be changed. But for Windows 10 users, how they can, there is a there are, the steps are quite different from Windows 7. For Windows 10 users, what they have to do, first of all, go to the control panel by typing control panel name into the search box. When you will click on control panel, what is control panel? It is the component of Microsoft Windows, where if you want to do any kind of a change into your system, then you can do it from the control panel. For example, this time I want to change the date and time of my system. In that case, I have to go to the control panel, and then there is the option clock and region. As it shows here that if you change the date and time, they means this option is used when we want to change the date and time of the computer. Click on it. Then here I want to change date and time. Then it will ask us if you want to change the date and time, then you can change the date and time of it also. 31st December. Okay. When you'll click, then your time and date will be changed on your taskbar. As I'm not able to see you, but if you'll do it on your computer, then definitely you can check it. as it is showing that this time date is 31st December and time is this. So if you want to change it back, again go to this change date and time option, then select the date. Okay, now this time this date will be shown to you here, 26th December. So whatever you will select the date, it will change. Okay, so you can change the date and time option of your computer by going to the control panel and then going to the clock and region option, and after changing click on OK, and then date and time of your computer will be changed. Same for the Ubuntu users also. The steps will be different. First of all, to adjust the time and date, click the clock located in the menu bar and select time and date settings. These are the steps that we need to cram. Number two, change the system time zone by clicking on the map or entering your locality, or choose a city close to the place where you are living in into the location box. So yeah, here you have to either type your location or your locality, or you can select it from here also. So if you change the date and time, then you can do either manually or automatically. Automatically it will be done by the internet, and manually it will be done by you. So you, in this way you can change the date and time on Ubuntu systems. Now next page. Alternatively, you can directly select the option of change date and time and manually change the time and click on OK. Means you can increase or decrease the time manually also. So both options are available for both the systems. Another interesting tool is System Monitor in Ubuntu or Task Manager in Windows. This is the one of the good feature in Windows and in Ubuntu, that is the System Monitor. Task Manager, as the name indicates, it is used to manage the task. So this tool shows the number of applications running on your computer. Task means applications. How many applications are running on your computer, it is visible with the help of the task manager. If an application does not respond to your command, then task manager shows the reason for it and allows you to close it. Sometimes we have seen that whenever we try to open any application or any program, then it simply moves, इस तरह से गोल गोल घूमता रहता है कई बार. तो अगर हम इस तरह के प्रोग्राम को क्लोज करना चाहते हैं, तो इस तरह के प्रोग्राम को क्लोज करने के लिए हम टास्क मैनेजर की हेल्प लेते हैं. Now to open task manager, what we have to do, just go to the task bar, then make a right click over there. When you do the right click, then there is an option of task manager. When you click on task manager, then task manager will be visible to you. Here the different number of programs that I have open on my computer, you can see these are the different programs that I have open on my computer. If you want to click on on any application to close it, then simply go to the end task button. Then that clicked or selected application will be closed. If you want to close any application, then that application can be closed by selecting that application into the task manager and then click on end task. In that in this way you can simply close all those opened application into your computer. Then Tejas, we can open it with the help of the search box like we open the on-screen keyboard. Then mouse, you can also open the system monitor window by pressing Ctrl Alt Delete in Ubuntu. In Windows, to open the task manager windows, press Ctrl Shift Escape and then select Start Task Manager. So Windows users, they have shortcut also. They have to press Control Shift and Escape. In this way also you can open the Task Manager. But for Ubuntu users, in Ubuntu we call it as System Monitor. In Windows, it is known as Task Manager, and in Ubuntu, it is known as System Monitor. Shortcut for both are quite different. For Windows users, they have to press Control Shift and Escape, and for Ubuntu users, they have to press Control Alt Delete. Then Jyoti, by clicking Kill Process in Ubuntu and End Task in Windows, you can close the program. Please underline this line also, that if you want to close any program, first of all you have to click it and then click on the End Task or Kill Process if you are using Ubuntu operating system. Next page, underline the lines. System monitor or end task helps in closing a program not only when the program stops responding but also when it is functioning properly. As my all the applications were functioning properly, they were easily opened, but still if you want to close any application with the help of the system monitor or task manager, then you have to simply press Control Shift Escape. In that case, the task manager will be in front of you, and then if you want to close any of the application, then you can close it. For example, this time I want to close this on screen keyboard, then select the application and click on End Task. In this way, the application will be removed from the task manager window. So next is for Ubuntu users, click on dash, select System Monitor, right click the name of the application you want to close and then select Kill Process. In Windows we are having End Process or End Task, but in Ubuntu we are having Kill Process option to close any application. For Windows users also, they are showing us, this is the screenshot for Windows 7 users. So right click the taskbar, then select the task manager, select the name of the application you want to close, and then finally click on End Task. Then Tejas, this session has helped us to know more about computers. Jyoti, now we hope to solve some of our problems without taking help from our teachers or parents. It's time for some exercises. Let's go.